Welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our special tribute, reaction, dedication, you can call it, to Diego Maradona. The legend who tragically passed away just a couple of days ago. We are making this tribute purely for him. This is the first time that we are going to react to a song that isn't for musicians, that isn't for fans of music, but it is for all the people who loved Diego Maradona. I know people who think of him as a god of football, as god of a sport that is so widely played all over the world, loved, celebrated so much, and he was right on top of all of those celebrations wherever it happened. He had a special connection with India as well. He came long time ago once to India and he promised to come back, revisit one more time. Though we were nowhere in footballing arena, we didn't have a team to represent us most of the time. Now football is becoming a phenomenon here as well. In the last 5 years or so, things have picked up for
Though
football.
we watched it, we watched
India as a
football
nation has
for
watched
ages.
football a lot.
Whether it's Premier League football, Spanish, Italian, English, German, and even American now. We've watched a lot of it, and now our own league, of course, in the last few years.
So he promised when he came the very first time, because of the admiration, the love, the respect that he saw in people for Diego Maradona. Of course, he was from a completely different place from India, but people love him even today. He made headlines the moment his demise happened.
Yeah, and especially in certain parts of the country like Bengal,
Kolkata.
West Bengal, with Calcutta being the capital city.
Even in the south.
West Bengal, then in the south parts, Karnataka, Goa, Kerala.
Then here in Mumbai.
He is like an icon. There are, I think, hundreds and thousands of people who have his t-shirt, number 10 jersey till today. And they all must have cried when they got the news.
Yeah.
They all must be still in mourning even today. So he has been an icon here, and he must be a much, much bigger icon in Argentina and several other countries. So this is a tribute video to Diego Armando Maradona, and he passed away tragically by a heart attack. He suffered a heart attack. It's not the first time. He has had medical troubles in the past. But as a footballer, I don't think anyone has come close to him. His skills with the ball, his communication with his teammates on the field, his captaincy, his charisma, everything about it. I don't think there's ever been a footballer who's made it big who hasn't been influenced in some way or the other by Maradona in the last 4 decades. So this is a tribute video from both of us. It's a little thing. May his soul rest in peace. I know we may not get too many views based on our subscriber base and based on the racial injustice that we come across on this platform. I don't think it will go to the right people, and our channel goes to the right people, even if the video does. So despite that, we are here to make a tribute for the first time, like Kirti said, for someone who isn't a musician. First time ever in more than 5,500 videos or reactions that we made. First time, so it's a big thing, and I don't think we'll do it too often for anyone else. This may be the first and last time we'll ever make a tribute to someone who isn't a musician. Anything else before we start?
What I was saying was, I was talking about a promise that he made to India when he visited first time, that he would return back one more time. And he kept his promise. He was a man of his words, and he returned in 2017. Again, a grand reception for him. There is a statue made in Kolkata for him, dedicated to him. He visited that site as well. People adored him. People adored him without any, direct connection. Neither with football we had so much of a connection, because we didn't have a team that was playing in the World Cup.
You're talking about
I'm talking about me, but I'm talking about the masses here.
But for me and millions of others in India, we have watched him. We watched him play from the very start, when television came to India with the World Cup live matches or relay matches the next day. We've watched him, we've grown up with him. So for millions of people in India, we have a deep connection with him. And of course, the rest of the world who always watched him or have seen him play also, even during his playing days, wow, they obviously know what we are talking about. Anyway, we picked a song which is a favorite. Our patrons sent us a list. A couple of patrons mentioned it. One of them being Marco. We also have family members who requested this tribute. So this is for them. La Mano de Dios in memory of Diego Armando Maradona by Rodrigo. The artist is Rodrigo. It's the first time ever we're listening to this song or the artist. La Mano de Dios means the hand of God. And in case you don't know, there's this very famous hand of God goal that happened in the World Cup,
I've
which
heard of it, yeah.
literally helped propel Argentina. Literally helped. But apart from that, it's not about just one goal. There were many other goals that Maradona helped create as well as scored during that particular World Cup. It was the 1986 World Cup in Belgium, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And he won the World Cup for Argentina. Anyway, let's get started. May his soul rest in peace. The hand of God.
En una villa nació, fue deseo de Dios crecer y sobrevivir a la humilde expresión, enfrentar la adversidad con afán de ganarse a cada paso la vida. En un potrero forjó una zurda inmortal con experiencia, sedienta ambición de llegar de cebollita. Soñaba jugar un mundial y consagrarse en primera. Tal vez jugando pudiera a su familia ayudar. ¡Grande Diego! Para el más grande del mundo, En una villa nació, fue deseo de Dios crecer y sobrevivir a la humilde expresión, enfrentar la adversidad con afán de ganarse a cada paso la vida. En un potrero forjó una zurda inmortal con experiencia, sedienta ambición de llegar de cebollita. Soñaba jugar un mundial y consagrarse en primera. Tal vez jugando pudiera a su familia ayudar. A poco que debutó, Maradona, la 12 fue quien corrió, Maradona, su sueño tenía una estrella llena de gol y gambetas, y todo el pueblo cantó, Maradona, nació la mano de Dios, Maradona, llevó alegría en el pueblo, regó de gloria este suelo. Para el número 1 del mundo. Una cruz en los ojos por ser el mejor, por no venderse jamás al poder. Enfrentó curiosa debilidad. Si Jesús tropezó, porque él no habría de hacerlo. La fama le presentó una blanca mujer de misterioso sabor y prohibido placer en su actual deseo. Dios anda otra vez involucrando su vida, y es un partido que un día el Diego está por ganar. A poco que debutó, la 12 fue quien corrió, su sueño tenía una estrella llena de gol y gambetas, y todo el pueblo cantó, nació la mano de Dios, hubo alegría en el pueblo, lleno de gloria este suelo. ese fue quien corrió. Maradona, su sueño tenía una estrella, era de gol y gambetar, y todo el pueblo cantó. Maradona, nació la mano de Dios. Maradona, fue alegría en el pueblo, regó de gloria este suelo, regó de gloria este suelo, regó de gloria. ¡Te quiero, Diego!
Wow, this is good. It is a true celebration of a spirit that was so limitless, and such was Diego Maradona. You remember why did he play for Napoli? He used to play for Barcelona before Napoli, and he of his time he was the highest paid footballer in the world. And there were some differences or something happened. I don't exactly remember. I happened to read about it somewhere some time ago, and because of that, he knew he was the highest paid. Barcelona team being worldwide popular and things like that. He turned it down. He didn't. He stopped playing for them, and he instead chose the Italian team Napoli, which was
not
very
that
small,
popular.
very small, and they couldn't afford him initially. They had to take a bank loan to even have him on the team.
And he stayed loyal to them
Yeah,
for a long
yeah.
time, if I remember correctly. And in fact, they won their first.
So he had a different way of functioning. He definitely, life isn't fair if everything is good in your life. So he had his share of problems and his share of issues as well.
Yeah.
But it definitely was once one of a kind person.
Yeah, they won their first Premier League ever, Italian Premier League championship with him.
Yeah.
So that's how much he benefited the club, and the club also benefited him in many ways. And I'm sure they are all mourning his death, even in Napoli and most parts of Italy, who knew him very well, because he used to even live there for many years while he was playing. Anyway, I guess that's about it for this reaction. I think everyone knows Maradona by now, and COVID or not, I think he is the biggest celebrity of who has passed away this year,
Yeah.
by a long margin. Yeah, I mean, one would hope that he was still around, but his legacy will live on. And I'm sure there'll be a lot of documentaries, a lot of footage, a lot of things about him that will keep coming over the years, which will inspire future generations to take up sports, which is much needed in the world right now. Taking up sports or taking up soccer and doing something more meaningful with their life, especially if they don't have any other vocation or career going for them. So he is a true inspiration. The song was all about, whatever I understood of the lyrics, was all about his humble background from a village in Argentina, with his dream to win the World Cup for his country, then his family, his love for his family, then him getting married to a beautiful girl, and of course the world loving him, because goal after goal, the world loving him more and more and chanting Marado everywhere he went and everywhere he played. Yeah, and those chants will ring on even long after he's gone. Trust me. Every time Argentina plays, people will, in the stadium, wherever they play, I'm sure there will be at least 10% of Argentinian supporters who will be donning a number 10 jersey in memory of Maradona. And that will happen for some time to come.
When we talk about the current generation and the upcoming future generations, young people and their inspiration, when he was very young and when he was spotted, he was asked what are his dreams, and he said he had only 2 dreams. And those 2 dreams were first one, to play in the Argentinian football team, to be part of it, and the second was to win the World Cup for the team. And both of them he finished by 25.
Wow, yeah.
Yeah, both of them were accomplished. I mean, he became part of the team much before than that, but by 25 age, he had already won the World Cup for the country. So I think too early he achieved his dreams.
Yeah. Beautiful. What a beautiful life. What a wonderful way he lived his life, and he will be remembered. He will be remembered for what he contributed to the sport. Today, soccer is a world sport thanks mainly to Maradona.
Yeah.
Whether in India someone plays football, I don't think any footballer in
It
India
has influenced so
hasn't
much.
been influenced by Maradona.
Yeah.
I don't think there's a single footballer. That's how much his influence is in India, a country that has never even gone to the FIFA World Cup.
Yeah.
Wow, that's it for this one. Thanks a lot. And thanks a lot for all those good times. Maradona, we watched you game after game, my family, my entire family, a lot of my friends, a lot of people in India, millions and millions of us have watched you. And I know you're watching us all from heaven. Soccer will be happy and soccer has been proud because of people like you. Thank you.